Hi guys, I'm back regarding the Mten3 battery failure, and I've decided to repair it, to give it a shot. So I peeled these back and I looked at them more closely, the surrounding kind of burnt colored areas. Peeled back part of the battery casing that I could get to, and all indications are batteries were not affected at all. I think all the burn marks were caused by this, essentially acting like a heating element as it turned red hot and then eventually just broke. So what I've done is I've soldered two pieces of 12 gauge solid core wire. I put one here, and I also put one across here. Think of it as redundancy. And it is solid. I really don't think it's going anywhere unless this gets so hot that it melts the solder. I don't think that's going to happen again, and I'm going to avoid getting this wheel stuck in turnstiles in the future. I'm reading 80 volts coming out of the battery pack. I think everything's looking good, so I'm going to try and tape this back together as best I can and try and reassemble the Mten3, see if it works. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I managed to get the batteries back in this case, kind of like getting sausage, putting sausage back in its packaging is kind of tough, but it's in there, and I'm reading 80 volts out of here, so time to see if I can get the M10 back together now. Okay, so I am reassembling the control board, which I personally took apart. I separated it from the heatsink and the fan module, looking for bad MOSFETs. So I'm going to hope that this still works after I put it back together. Okay, now I'm reattaching the top MOSFETs. And I did put some silicone over the screws in the bottom. I'll put some silicone over here too. Okay, time to install the control board. Okay, it's getting there. Battery goes back in. Okay guys, wish me luck. Just gonna plug it in and hopefully the control board works. loud. LEDs are working. It's looking encouraging. See if it balances a little bit here. It's balancing. Oh man, it is so nice. So nice to repair things. What a sense of accomplishment. I better stop speaking until I get the full thing together. So, see you in a few minutes. Hey guys, I know the lighting conditions are pretty bad, but I didn't want to wait till the morning to see if this my M10 works. I mean, I know it kind of works. I got it fully assembled. Balances, I can connect to it with my app. It's got about 80% battery, which I think is about probably what it had. The battery indicator up front works, but all my LEDs are pretty much permanently on with a couple odd colors. I'm going to guess that one of the control wires on this flexible band broke when I was working on it, and I can live with that. It's not going to bother me. So I'm going to try this for the first time on camera. 1 second. For good luck, I'm going to use my my Gotway helmet. It served me well in the past. Man, it's been a long time since I've ridden this guy. Feels strange. Looking good. Oh man, this is great. I have my favorite wheel back. Start having fun again. Well, this has been an adventure. Obviously, I wish it hadn't happened, but it's cool that I could get it back working. Kind of a bummer that the LEDs are on all the time, but I'm going to assume that's not going to consume too much extra power. I could always disconnect them if it really bothers me over time, or if I feel like opening up later, but probably not. Alright guys, see you later.